Okay. Thank you, Clean and Jiffy, for the additional gift. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Why am I so excited about gardening stuff? First of all, you need to know, I've never gardened in my life.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Welcome, guys, to another video. I feel like for the last couple videos, they have been all hauls. I don't know why. I feel like I start just buy too much again. But anyways, I really want to show you what I've got. So today we're having an Amazon haul. And today I will definitely be leaving all the links in the description box below. So make sure you go ahead and check them out. All right? By the way, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. If you are new over here, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Welcome to the family. Like this video and share it and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you are coming back because you are my die-hearted fan out there, thank you so much for coming back over here. I really appreciate it. So let's go right into it, guys. Okay, so today I actually have 4 packages from Amazon actually, and then this is like a bonus, right? So I'm gonna put this down for a second because we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do this one last. All right, so let's put this down. Let's start the small package first. Let's see what's in here. I don't think I need the scissors for that. All right. I don't know what this is for. So the first thing that we have here is a Muscle Tech multivitamin, platinum multivitamin. This I got for my son that is currently in college. He had asked for vitamins. He actually asked for this specific one. I'm not sure how good this is, but I guess he was referred to this by somebody who's actually using it already. So, and he was told that it was good. So I went ahead and I purchased this for him. So it is Muscle Tech Platinum Multivitamin, daily nutritional support for active individuals. It has 18 vitamins and minerals. So go check it out. The link will be in the description box. Okay. So now this is a pack of scarves. It is 35-inch large square satin headscarf, 3-piece satin headscarves, silk bandana. So this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna look at the colors because I know that you guys are actually tired of seeing me in the one blue one. So welcome to KeneishaSays. What I'm gonna do?
Merry Christmas.
Okay, look at me, it look crazy.
Guys, welcome back to another KeneishaSays. That blue bandana is coming from far. It's coming all the way from Jamaica, and in Jamaica I had it for years. And it traveled on the plane and it came up here with me, and I will not throw it away. But in the interim, I need some additional ones. So this one you have like a beige nude looking color with the designs and stuff, and this is the back of this one. And you have pink, right, with a little bit of beige. Right, the last one, so I guess all of them have a little bit of beige in there, and then this looks like navy blue. So let me just pop one open just to see how it feels, how it's actually looking in person. Oh, it's really large. It's big, guys. It's huge. It's huge, and it feels nice. It feels nice. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yep. So you guys will be seeing me in variety of colors now. You won't be seeing me in just the blue one, but I will not throw away the blue one. Okay, let's go in the smaller box that we have here. All right, so in here I have the kids vitamins. So this is cultural probiotic for kids. I think you guys have already seen this in my last Amazon haul. This I have on subscription, so therefore it's sent to me like I think it's every month that a new one is sent to me without me actually have to go in and do anything. This is really good. It tastes really nice. It supports natural immune defenses, boosts digestive health, and promotes healthy teeth and gums. So this is very good, and you can actually use it for kids 3 through 12. So if you are looking for a probiotic for your kids and you don't have one yet, you can try this, and these are actually chewable. So it's really easy for them to just chew and go. This has 30 tablets in the pack. All right, so you can go check it out. And again, the links will be in my description box. Okay. All right, this is another thing that I have on my subscription list as well. I used to buy the individual bottles for Aveeno. My kids can't use regular soap because they have eczema. So I use Aveeno on them, and I use Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Body Wash. So this is the refill. So instead of just buying the bottles over and over, you get the refill, pour it in, and it's much cheaper than actually buying the regular bottle. Because I guess you're paying for the bottle, I guess. I don't know. But this is way cheaper. So this again works very well for them. They don't have any flare-ups or stuff like that. So I continue to use that. So this is easy refill. If you have the big bottle, it actually folds in and leaves like a little bit. And if you have the smaller bottles, then this can actually fill it twice. So this is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash Refill. Nourishes dry skin, helps replenish skin's natural moisture for a healthier looking skin, and it's lightly scented. And we only have one more item in here, and it's another box. So let's bust this open. So in here we also have another subscription item. These are actually lotion. This is not like the main lotion that I use, but I realized that it actually works the same way. Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. There's another one I normally use, same Aveeno, but a different, not the brown top. I think it's a green top one as well, like the body wash. But this also helps with their eczema. Actually, it's in a pack of 2. Again, very reasonable on Amazon. You can go check it out. You can go with the green one, the green top one and stuff, but this is fragrance free. So, you know, eczema, the rash and stuff with overly, like if it's highly fragrance and stuff like that, it cannot irritate them. So those kind of help. Alright, this is where the excitement start happening. Alright. Okay, what is this? I don't know. What is this? Oh, it's called This Living Woman's Basic Gray, White, Army Green. So these are basically like some tank tops that I wear under, like undershirts. I normally wear tank tops from Aeropostale, but I also bought a pack of these, a pack of 4 actually, from Amazon last time, and they're very good. They actually lasted me for 2 years. So I bought them when I actually started my last job, or my current job, and it went through. So just now I realized that a couple of them now start getting worn out, where they start having like little holes coming in them, as well as the Aeropostale. But I like these, and I got a medium in the first set, and they were a little bit too they were a little bit loose. So I went ahead and I purchased some more, but this time I got them in a small. Here, and they have good material. Like it's not too thin or anything. So here they go. So it comes a pack of 4. The last time I think I got white, I got black, I got gray, and I got like a beige looking one. This time I have the white, I have the green one. This is beautiful. So that like army green or olive green. I got the darker shade of the gray. The first set I had was the lighter, the lighter gray. So this I have the darker shade. and the black one. So these are definitely smaller. Like the other ones were huge. So I like these. Again, the materials are very good, very strong, very stretchy at the same time. So yeah, so my second set of these. All right, let's go back. What is this? Oh, these are set of 4 decorative throw pillow covers. Like I don't even know if I need to show this to you yet, because I already told you guys that I will definitely be doing over my my office space, right? So I'll be doing over my office space, and I'm buying a couple little things that I need to do, little touches. And you guys know that my favorite color is pink, so I want to do some little touches of pink. Since I already have it here, I'm not all in all suspense. It's just some pillow covers, and I will show them to you. All right, I'm gonna put them back in here because I'm not ready for them yet. I think I'm gonna do that like in like June, so look out for that video definitely. But guys, look at this. Look, isn't this beautiful? Hold on, let me put this down so I can see. Look at this. This is beautiful. So you got 1 or 4 different design, 4 different patterns. 2, are you gonna put it like that? 3, 4. Come on, talk to me. Like, these are beautiful. I love them. And guys, they are so thick. They are so thick. They're so thick. I love these. I love these. I'm gonna put them back inside. Fold them up neatly. So again, you may see them again when I'm actually doing the whole the office space, right? So for those who have never seen my first office, when I was creating my office space, you can go ahead and check it out, and I will definitely leave a link in the description as well, so you can go ahead and watch it if you haven't already done so. I think you guys would actually like it. So you will see when I'm doing a little bit of remodeling to it, or just little touches of, you know, just change it up, because I haven't used it in such a long time. Get out my room and I'm gonna set it up, and you guys will see that. So this is, you will see this again. No. Look at it, look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. This is also for another video coming very soon, right? I am gonna be doing redoing my garden outside. It's a mess. It looked like nobody lives in my house. It's a hot mess. So I keep on asking my husband to get it done. This is almost, we're living in this house for like 3 years now, and every day, you know how men are. Every day we're gonna do it tomorrow, we're gonna do it tomorrow, we're gonna do it tomorrow. Tomorrow turn into 3 days, 3 days turn into 3 weeks, 3 weeks turn into 3 years, right? So me said, okay, because of the type of person that I am, I'll get it done myself. So I went and I got my gardening stuff, because I'm gonna start doing that. And normally when them see you start doing it by yourself, them start jumping and start getting it done. So hopefully that works. But I got my garden stuff. So this is Scuddles. It has a tote bag. It's Scuddles tote bags, right? And in this tote bag, you can see right here, in this tote bag you have a weeder, a rake, a transplanting tool, a shovel, a fork. It's 9 pieces, by the way. It's a gardening tool set. You have a 25-ounce sprayer, digging gloves, which is a bonus, and then you have a cutter. I'm so excited. So let's bust this open, because I can't wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Let's see what's going on in here. Alright. Why am I so excited about gardening stuff? First of all, you need to know, I've never gardened in my life. I have a green thumb to save my life. But I'm gonna try a thing. So hopefully this will work. So this is the bottle, very small. Spray, you know. These are the gloves. And it has like a little plastic thingy. I guess, I don't know. I guess they use it to rake. I don't know. We'll see. The finger, I don't know. I'll figure it out, I guess. Cutter. We have the fork, transplanting tool, transplanting tool. This is the shovel. Ooh, I love these. I don't know not about gardening, but this made me excited for gardening. Me excited. This is the rake on handles and the black tips. And oh, this is the weeder. I don't know if you use this, but it looks exciting. Pushing and take up the stuff. I don't know. All you gardening people out there, you can give me little tips and tricks, please. I really appreciate it. And the moment we've been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Stay over there a little bit. I gotta bust this open. I gotta bust this open. Guys, it's big. It's big. Oh, I love it. Look at the space inside. It's big. A lot of space. A lot of space. So cute. What? Look at this. Look at this. Now you know that I will have to fix stuff. I'm going to take everything out and fix them accordingly. So, I have the rake. Inside the bag also had like my first minute something drop out on my foot now because it's very shallow. I don't like the shallow part of it because I don't feel like they can't hold anything. Oh my foot, it has an elastic thingy to hold it inside the bag. See? Yeah. When you're country. But there you go. So it actually holds them in place. Because of that thingy. It does. So that's beautiful now. At first it was just falling out. So yeah, that makes more sense. That makes more sense. See, they're held in place with a rubber band thing that it has on the bag. And inside the bag, you have more pockets inside. You can't see. But you have more pockets inside. Oh, there are more pockets inside there. Like 1, 2, 3 pockets, and then you have one at the back. So it's very spacious. You drop everything you want to drop in here. Your garden seeds. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this. I'm so much in love with this right now. I have some seeds that I got from work. I'm going to drop them in here as well as soon as I'm done. Love this. Love this bag. So cute. Like, this is so cute. Again, guys, the link will be in my description so you can go ahead and check it out. This is so cute. I'm in love with that. The last box. The biggest box of them all. Alright, let's put it to the side. This is so let's see what's inside here. Okay, so here I have Crest 3D whitening strips. Crest 3D white strips, dental whitening kit, professional effects, levels 20 whiter. I don't know if you remember watching a video where I told you that I want to whiten my teeth. Well, the dentist that I was going to, like, I just stopped going there because they had issues in terms of their billing department. They were just billing me wrong, sending my information incorrectly to my insurance and stuff like that. So I'm like, you know what? Bye. Get yourselves together. So I stopped going there and I haven't found a new dentist yet. So in the meantime, I know I said I wanted to whiten my teeth. So I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and try getting these. So I'm going to try these and see. So it says to peel white strips from backing liner. Apply using a mirror, apply gels. That like look like a lot of work. Smile, peel from back teeth first to ease removal. So I'm going to try this. You can go check it out too. Alright, so that's that. This comes with 44 strips, 20 professional effects treatments. Uh-oh. What else do I have in here? Okay. Guys, I'm a very impulsive shopper. I think I told you guys that already. So my husband the other day, like I had a pack. Matter of fact, my mom was up here like 4 years ago, right? And she had bought some needle and thread in dollar store, and we've been using that like forever. For some reason, my husband said he couldn't find it, and he said like whatever, and I just went ahead and just purchased immediately. That was my excuse to go ahead and purchase something on Amazon. So that was it. And so I purchased this thing. It is a joining sewing kit with case. It has scissors, needles, measuring tape, etc. It has a magnifying glass. It comes with all these different thread colors. It comes with bobby pin. Come with needles. These are 30 assorted needles. It comes with the measuring tape, the scissors. These are like buttons. I don't remember what this is called. The thing that take out the thread out of the thingy-majig. And it has buttons and regular Jamaican say common pin. I don't know if that's the same one we call it. And it's in a case. So we can go ahead and close this up if it allows me to. And there you go. Everything in one. Can't lose this. So there we go. We have everything in a little pouch for my sewing kit, like for my sewing set. So we have everything right here. So I love this. What is this? Oh my God, these are so small. So this is another thing that I have for my office. But Jesus, it's like a vase, artificial plants. Why these are so small? Like a little decor thing. Oh my God, these are like miniature. So this is artificial plants, desk fix, succulents, indoor decor, office room decoration. Small, tiny, realistic plants in white ceramic potted, or in this case, pink gold. So guys, I like these, but these are small. Like I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger. Them are small, bad. This is really miniature. I have to make use of it. So this is also for my room, for my office space. There are two of them. I don't want to put the other one because I don't want to break it. But there are two of them. Very small. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger. But I don't want to send it back. I'll make use for it. I'll find space for it. So there we go. They're very small. Them small bad. Put it back because you may see this again. Just keep on buying things and things are gonna come small. This is I'm excited for this. I'm excited for this, guys. This is the electric spin scrubber. And I bought this specific for my bathroom because I'm tired of rubbing stuff with brush and stuff. And this is the blue one. They come in green, gray, and blue. I got the blue one. So it comes with this corner brush, small flat brush, large flat brush, and dome brush. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so inside you have the user manual, and this tells you what is inside and how to set it up, how to charge it, and how to store it. Here you have the different heads. This one is what? The dome brush. I'm curious to open up some. Yeah, the dome brush. I need to open up that. The large flat brush. This is one of the pieces to put it together. I'll figure them out, guys, but you have different pieces to attach. This is the charger that comes with it. This is the corner brush, small flat brush, and this I think is the base. Alright, so this is the extension rod. And this is the main handle. So for this base and this is set to end the brush, you already have this set up. You can put on extension. This one. So this goes in here. So you never click up here. So and flex depends on where the different angle that you want. Okay. There's a little clip here. Extend it, lock it. Close it. So, okay. And this goes on the extension rod up like this. I guess it's for it to hang. You can hang it. Okay, so you can hang it on whatever while it's charging in the bathroom. And this is a power. This is plugged in up here for the extension for it to be charged. And this is the power. I didn't think it was charged. So there you go, guys. You got 3 speed, got 2 speed. 1, 2. Yep. So this is it. So I will be having fun using this in my bathroom. So that wasn't hard to set up at all. The assembling was very easy. This is the last one. I'm so excited for this one. So excited for this one. I'm so excited for this one. This is Apollo Precision Tools 135 piece household tool kit in pink. So guys, you know I'm always putting my stuff together. Whatever it is that I purchase, whatever appliance. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm so happy. So this is it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. This is so cute. This is so cute. Okay. Let me control myself. Okay. Woo. People, look at this. Tell me that it's not nice. The material so thick, pretty. Look at this. What? Scissors. Okay. All right. Fix it here. Who's that? Compose yourself. All right. Guys. Yeah, I'm super excited about my tools. Hold on. What? I'm so excited. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. So I have a little cardy thing, contact information in here. It has a little bit of instruction manual up in here. Guys, this is beautiful. It has scissors, drill bit, drill, lever. Oh, don't drop. Don't know what this is, but I'll figure it out. Where you come from? Right here, so. Screwdriver, wrench, pliers, hammer. Look at this hammer. This hammer is so cute. They're all pink. Tape measure, PVC tape. This work good now? I have to give you a closer look. I love this. I love this. So now I don't have to bother my husband about his tool pan. I have my own. I can put my stuff together. I know exactly where to find it, because my problem was every time I needed something, I had to go dig through a whole bunch of stuff to find it. Here, I know exactly where to go. Have my own stuff. I am so excited. Especially again, this I basically bought this because of the office, my office that I'm about to remodel. Or that's why I bought it, because I have a couple of things that I'm gonna have to put together, and I just wanted my own stuff. And then it's pink. What? This is beautiful. I love this. I love this. No disappointment, guys. So that is it when it comes on to the Amazon unboxing, right? But I have one more package that has nothing to do with Amazon, but it's also a package that I want to share with you guys. This is with a company called Clean and Jiffy. Clean and Jiffy is a company that is a Jamaican black owned female owner. The Clean and Jiffy, they go and they clean apartments, clean your business place. You want anything clean, they got you. And then on top of that, they also have their own cleaning products. And their cleaning products are called KeneishaSays. Now, not my first time using this, but I had to reorder. I reordered this specific one, and I wanted a gallon, because before I did like small bottles. They have different sizes. Oh, okay. So this is KeneishaSays, right? So this is like, it's cleaning solution, whereas antibacterial, cuts grease, multi-purpose cleaning. It can clean your countertops, your towel, it can clean stone, it can clean wood, you name it, it can clean it, right? Your bathroom. I bought it personally for my bathroom. Also, it's good on the countertop, like in my kitchen and stuff like that. I use it in there as well. But when I tell you, this is the cucumber mint. I love this fragrance, right? It's environmental friendly. This is all natural. You don't have to think about, you don't have to be worried about it affecting anything, drying up your skin, hurting your, no form of irritation, right? This is just amazing. When I tell you that, I'm not supposed to call it the name, but Mr. Clean, no, I have nothing on this. Like, for real. Like, I use my Mr. Clean is my go-to cleaner for almost everything, right? When I found this, I don't need anything else. So I wanted the big one. I wanted the gallon, because I had like the small bottles before. Like, please know about the like so, right? So now I have the gallon. But on top of that, look what I'm sending me. Don't play. Listen. What is this? This is coconut mango. It's also a multi-surface cleaner, but it's like a go-to package one, like a carry-on thing. Look. Whoa, this packaging is everything. Antibacterial cuts, grease, multi-purpose cleaning, made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, and other ingredients. Thank you, Clean and Jiffy, for the additional gift. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Guys, you should definitely go ahead and check them out. You can reach them at cleanandjiffy@gmail.com. You can shop at cleanandjiffy.com/shop. And you can call them at 877-7-CLEAN. That's spelled KLEAN. We should definitely check them out. Black-owned Jamaican company, female, right? She's doing her thing. These are not just advertisements. Like, these are really, like, they're really good. They really work. And I just like one or a comp, something like, they really work. So you should definitely go ahead and check them out. All right. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you like what you saw, and you want to purchase any of these items that I have mentioned on Amazon, the links will definitely be in my description box, right? And if you want to go ahead and check out Clean and Jiffy, the information will be on the screen, so you can go ahead and check them out. Guys, go ahead and like, share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Now until later, bye bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.